Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this equestrian look in Dress to Impress. So in this video, we are galloping straight into equestrian elegance with a chic and powerful look that's giving horseback glam realness. Now let's just get started to create this look. So here, let's start with the hair. For the hair, I'm using this braid here, and you can color it to the color that you like. And I'm going to combine it with this bangs in here with the same color. And now you're just going to this dressing room and put some cloth items. Here, the first one, you can use this shirt in here and color it white. And I'm going to use on this bold eyelashes. And now for the look, let's just start it. Sorry, I forgot to wear the boots, so I'm going to color it all black and change it or toggle it into longer version. So here for the pants, I'm going to use this biker short, color it white and toggle it into type 3. Then put on this blazer here. You can choose the color that you like, but in my case here, I'm going to use this blue color. So next, you're just going to put on some accessory like the hat. For the look, I'm going to put on this earring first, and for the hat, I'm going to use this one. Change the color into black and use this headband in here, still on black. And lastly, put on this, sorry, not that one. Put on the ribbon, the big ribbon in here. Change it into black and toggle it into number 7. So now this is the equestrian look in DTI. So it's perfect for theme rounds, countryside fashions, or just showing off your love for horses and high fashions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Also click on the thanks for more creative and classy DTI outfit hacks. Bye!